Why do 99% of astronauts take their health super seriously? Because even a sneeze can turn into a space saga. Meet Jerry L. Ross, an astronaut who nearly had his mission cut short by, you guessed it, a sneeze. During a training exercise, Jerry's helmet visor suddenly fogged up. The culprit? A mighty sneeze. In the pressurized environment of a spacesuit, even small actions can become risky. While Jerry survived the incident, it led to some serious health complications later on. So next time you sneeze, just be glad you're not in zero gravity. This story underscores the importance of safety and attention to detail in space missions. Because in space, even a sneeze can be an unexpected challenge. Stay safe, space enthusiasts.